Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to crop your images and edit image sizes right inside Wix. If you're building your website, getting your images just right is a game changer. It's the difference between a site that pops and one that feels a little off. So by the end of this step-by-step tutorial, you'll know how to confidently upload your own images in Wix, crop them to the perfect size, and really make your website shine. Alright, let's dive in. First up, if you haven't already, you'll want to create a new site. Wix makes this pretty straightforward. Once you start creating your site, Wix is going to ask how you'd like to begin. You've got three choices. You can start from a blank canvas, use one of their ready-made templates, or even let Wix's AI generate a site structure for you. For our purposes today, I recommend selecting Start from a blank canvas. This is like opening to a fresh new page. You have complete control, which is perfect when you want to focus on just uploading images and playing around with how they appear. Go ahead and click Start from a blank canvas and give it a moment while it loads. Sometimes, depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Don't worry if you see a spinning circle, that's normal. Once you're in your new site editor, let's head over to where the magic happens. On the left-hand pane, look for the option that says Media. This is your primary hub for handling images and other files. Click on it and you'll see options to upload your own images. If you've already got your image picked out, great. Hit the upload button and locate the image on your computer. Once it's selected, Wix will take a moment to upload it. With your image now uploaded, it'll appear in your media library. Just click on it and you'll see a button or an icon to add to page. Click that and your image will appear directly on your blank site in the editor. You can drag it around, resize it, and position it wherever works best for your design. Now here's the key part, cropping your image. If you hover over the image, a set of icons should appear. Look for the crop icon. It usually looks like a pair of intersecting right angles, sort of like a frame. Click that and you'll enter crop mode. This is where you get to fine-tune how your image looks on your site. You'll see little handles at the edges of the image. Click and drag these handles to select just the part of the photo you want to keep. Maybe you want to focus on someone's face, or you want to cut out a distracting background detail. Take your time here. You can always readjust if you're not happy. It's a bit like using a window frame to decide what part of the view you want on display. When you're satisfied with the crop, simply click Apply. Wix will trim your image just as you set it. And there you go, your image now fits your design perfectly, making the overall site feel clean and professional. And that's all there is to it. Cropping images in Wix is a really simple process, but it makes a huge difference. If you ran into any issues or you're still unsure about a step, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides on making your website look amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.